The Reamer Size Calculator for hole finishing helps you determine the correct reamer dimensions for precision hole manufacturing. Let's walk through the inputs. First, select your units from the drop-down menu. You can choose Imperial in inches or metric in millimeters. For this demonstration, I'm using Imperial. Next, choose your tolerance class from the drop-down. The options are H7 with plus or minus 0.0005 inches, H8 with plus or minus 0.001 inches, H9 with plus or minus 0.002 inches, H10 with plus or minus 0.003 inches, and H11 with plus or minus 0.005 inches. I'm selecting H7. Finally, enter your desired hole size in inches. I'll input 10 inches. After clicking Calculate Reamer Size, here are our results. The reamer size is 10.0002 inches. This is the actual size your reamer should be. The pre-drill size is 9.9900 inches, which is the diameter you'll drill before reaming. The material removal shows 0.0102 inches, indicating how much material the reamer will remove. These calculations ensure precise hole finishing every time. Find the link in the description below.